In this tutorial, we are building a journey in which you can send a message to Slack when a new file is uploaded on Dropbox. So let's build this journey. Select Dropbox as trigger. Next, choose New File Upload as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we will send a message using Slack. For that, select Slack. Choose Send Message as action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Select the channel name. Add message using Dropbox app data. Select Message to User or Bot as Yes. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Dropbox, upload a file. Now go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Slack. We can see that a new message has been sent to the channel we entered. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to send messages to channel on Slack when a new file is uploaded on Dropbox. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.